353. It's an interior. And let there be light. Ah, wait, I gotta plug the thing in. All right, let's take a tour of my interior cabin. This is cabin number, I haven't learned it yet, 11353.
Soundstripe.
Very similar to the Mardi Gras. Have your door. Bed. It's just like the interior cabinet on Mardi Gras. And we get gifts. Carnival celebration book. So yay. Alrighty, so here, of course, is the door. Your lights are going to work by a card. Here are your switches. There is the thermostat where you can control your own air. I'm going to make it a little colder for when I come back. Let's try that. All right, and here we have the restroom. Very similar again to the two, with the new Excel class design. 2 shelves, cups, soap, a bin to throw your items away. Same shower setup with gel. Shower head controls over there. You have 2 closets with adjustable shelving. Other closet with the shelving, as well as the security, the safe. Lord, had a mental block there, but I am cruising solo, so this is the bed option. If you want the king bed, they can separate it down the middle for 2 singles. This cabin only can hold up to 2 people. There are no pullouts or any couches. You have your light on the side and the ability here. Just put that up. We also have USB ports. The light here controls the entire room. Artwork, a cooler, and a decent sized TV, given that you won't be spending too much time. Here's the vanity area. Lots of charging ports, phone, got a few drawers here. Hair dryer in this drawer. You have a cube here, you can store things as well as sit, and then a couple of tiles. And that concludes an interior cabin tour for room 1153 on the Carnival celebration. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.